Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Identify the exact SSS Acop edition and assign a single accountable lead. Collect evidence folders, name documents, and the 3 mandatory forms so nothing blocks progress. Immediately run a focused half-day site walkthrough to map covered activities and controls. This gives you the factual baseline you need. Once done, prioritize gaps by risk, high, medium, low, and schedule corrective actions. Make sure to log decisions and owners to maintain traceability as you move into implementation. Now you execute the complex middle. Apply each Acop control to the specific site processes, documenting date-stamped evidence and responsible names. Train affected staff with brief, role-focused sessions and run competency checks so procedural compliance is real rather than assumed. Set up monitoring, practical checklists, 2 to 3 KPIs, and weekly review meetings to catch drift. Once these systems run, refine procedures where gaps appear and update evidence packs so audits see a consistent, traceable compliance pathway. Finish with a formal verification audit that tests controls against the Acop requirements and produces a concise executive summary. Close out nonconformities with assigned corrective actions and realistic deadlines. Aim for resolution within 30 days for most items. Once closed, archive evidence in a searchable structure and schedule periodic rechecks. If you hit problems, prioritize fixes by impact and treat the highest-risk controls first. This keeps you visibly compliant, while lower-risk items are scheduled for follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.